Introducing the incredible 2026 Volkswagen Tiguan RL75 2.0TDI DSG with 150 horsepower. This stunning estate/jeep is top of the range, with only 6,700 kilometres on the clock and a sleek grey exterior, packed full of comfort and safety features, including ambient lighting, satellite navigation, 360 view camera, collision avoidance braking and privacy glass. Not to mention the luxurious interior with cup holders, below seat storage and wireless charging. With a full multi-point health and safety check, service to manufacturer specification and a comprehensive warranty, you can have peace of mind driving this beauty. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Call us now or visit mullingarautos.ie for more information. Drive away in style and safety with the Volkswagen Tiguan RL75 today.